Was that something you had done deliberately? What was going on in that season of your life?
All right. I would like to say my life was down. I don't want to lie. This goes to all gospel musicians listening to me.
Yeah.
If you are to give them an ear to listen to them, it's not easy. You know, the kingdom, the ministry on its own, it's not easy. If he doesn't, you know, give you the strength to understand, I tell you, it will be very hard and it will take long. As for me, the reason why I was quiet, it's because it took longer for me, because other avenues that I took made it to be so long.
To be long.
Yeah.
So at the time when you were not in the spotlight,
Yeah.
because I think Mutsvene was your, I don't want to call it the last hit.
Yeah.
It was, right?
Yeah, it was.
Did you make a decision to say, or it was things that were going on in your life that made you do that?
Things were not okay with me, music-wise. I faced some challenges, bad challenges,
right?
Especially when you're gifted.
Yeah, and you are gifted. Right.
Because sometimes when you go to sing, you are not able. Yeah. You are not able to say yes or no. Was chipo chako chinogona kudedzera zvinhu zvekuti ukashaya mwari ipapo chinonokutenderedza zvekuti sematenderero andakaita.
Right.
Yeah. Many people, they know me by playing keyboards, instruments. Yeah. So by that time, 2010, Mercer akabanguta hanzvadzi yangu uya kuband. So ndakangoenda kufara. And I thank God for that. But ndakazoshaya guidance.
All right.
Mu industry sistran vasisipo.
Vaenda overseas.
Vatoenda. Kuna achati kuda uyatinamate kuda
urikupi
music yawo kapesera kuita inoda gomo inoda mapi. Nobody had to tell me that. And in that era, that's when I met up with other people. Ivonina ndidi kunyepera sister inini many people, they know me. Doro ndakarinwa vamwe vakandiona even to just see me. Doro ndakanwa andicharinwa.
All right.
Mbanje ndakaputa ndatopedza kuimba Ndinonzwa Mazwi.
Aye wakani kudai.
Listen, because zvazvinoita manje ndezvekudai. When you have a voice, you need to have another upper voice that is not yours.
Right.
Irinotokuudza kuti baba zvamakuda kuita izvezvi. Because if I tell you the time that